In this video, we'll provide a brief overview of secure and seamless cloud application migration with Nutanix and F5 Distributed Cloud. We'll specifically cover cloud migration, cloud repatriation, and hybrid multi-cloud. In this example, we are migrating our application from an on-premise VMware environment to Nutanix Cloud Clusters NC2 on AWS and Azure. Currently, we have a F5 Distributed Cloud Customer Edge CE deployed in the on-premise VMware environment, along with a HTTP load balancer that has an origin pool with servers originating from the same VMware environment located in our San Jose data center. First, we deploy F5 Distributed Cloud Customer Edge CE and application workloads on Nutanix Cloud Clusters NC2 on both AWS and Azure. We deployed application workloads using the same IPs as those in the VMware environment. Once both F5 Distributed Cloud CE sites on Nutanix Cloud Clusters NC2 on AWS and Azure are up and online, we create an origin pool for the servers originating from NC2 on AWS. Similarly, we create another origin pool for the servers originating from NC2 on Azure. Next, we update the HTTP load balancer to include the two new origin pools that we just created, assigning them a higher weight than the existing pool. Thanks to F5 Distributed Cloud App Connect, we don't have to worry about IP overlapping. Our application is now in a hybrid multi-cloud environment, with most requests are directed to the origin servers on Nutanix Cloud Clusters NC2 on AWS or Azure due to their higher assigned weights. When it's time, we can simply remove the VMware origin pool from the HTTP load balancer. Cloud migration is now completed with minimal application services disruption during and after the migration. In this example, we are moving our application from public clouds to a Nutanix environment in our San Jose data center. Our application is currently in a multi-cloud environment distributed across AWS and Azure with CE and application workloads deployed natively in both AWS and Azure environments. To begin, we deploy F5 Distributed Cloud Customer Edge, CE, and the application workloads in a Nutanix environment in our San Jose data center. We deploy the application workloads using the same IPs as those in the public clouds. Once the Nutanix CE site in San Jose is up and online, we create an origin pool with the servers originating from the Nutanix environment in the San Jose data center. Next, we update the HTTP load balancer to include this new origin pool, giving it a higher weight than the existing pools. We have established a hybrid multi-cloud environment where most requests are now directed to Nutanix in the San Jose data center due to its higher assigned weight. To complete the migration, we simply remove the AWS and Azure origin pools from the HTTP load balancer. Cloud repatriation is now completed with minimal application services disruption during and after the transition. In this example, our application is distributed across a hybrid multi-cloud environment. F5 Distributed Cloud Customer Edge CE is deployed in the Nutanix environment in our San Jose data center, as well as in Nutanix Cloud Clusters and C2 on AWS and Azure. The HTTP load balancer has 3 origin pools, each containing origin servers with the same IPs from each of the CE sites. With F5 Distributed Cloud App Connect, IP overlap is not a concern. F5 Distributed Cloud Console is a centralized console for configuration management and observability. It offers real-time metrics and analysis, and it also features an integrated AI assistant that provides real-time insights and actionable recommendations for security events. In our example, after we updated our WAF policy, we applied across all our applications, ensuring consistent security measures regardless of their locations. For more information, please check out the technical article posted on F5 DevCentral. We'll provide a link to the article in the description below. Thank you for watching.